session of JavaScript, we will see a question where we have to use the to uppercase to convert a string of lowercase into uppercase. The question is like this: you have to write a JavaScript code block which checks the content entered in the form's text element. So we need a form. In the form we have a input type which is equals to text. Then if the user entered everything in the lowercase, then we have to convert that into the uppercase. So let's see how we can do this. So let's magnify it. Okay. So here is the code. So first we have a let's first check it how it work. Then I will explain the code. Open. So you have to here type the address of the file. The name of the file is uppercase uppercase.html. So this is the HTML page. If we have to enter something, some value, hello, and it is in lowercase, and we have to convert it to uppercase. So you see here the value is converted to uppercase. Let's one more try. Hi. Then yes, it is converted to capital. Hello user 123. Let's try it. Yes, it is converting a lowercase characters to the uppercase. So let's move to the code. So in this code, first we understand the HTML. So in HTML we have a body tag, and as you are aware that we have also a HTML tag in HTML. So inside the body we have heading, and then we have created a form. The name of the form is simple form. Then we have created some table. Under the table we have table row and then table data. So the first field is enter name, then the second field is input type, that is text, and its name is username. And then we have also a button, and its value is uppercase, and on click we have a called the function convert to uppercase. So this is the JavaScript function. So I am showing you again. So here you see the uppercase, it is a heading, and then inside the table we have enter name first value, then we have input text second value, then we have a button. So the only thing that we have to understand how to write the JavaScript function to convert the whatever we have entered inside that input type text, we have to convert it into the uppercase. So let's move to the JavaScript code. So the JavaScript code is, as soon as you click on the button, it will move to the convert to upper function. So for the JavaScript code, we have to write the JavaScript code inside the head tag, and we have a script tag for JavaScript. Inside we have created a function convert to uppercase. So I am using here the document. So document is basically a DOM. It's an object that will you can access all the elements on your HTML pages by using the document. So I'm here writing document dot simple form is the name of the form. If here you see the form name is simple form. So inside the document, inside the HTML page, we have a simple form. Then we have a username. What is username? Inside the form we have a input type and its name is username, and we have to collect its value. So then we store its value and change it to uppercase by using the string function of the JavaScript. Then we have stored it inside a variable name is username, and then I have changed the value of document dot simple form dot username dot value equals to username. So this way you can create or you can convert the lowercase value to the uppercase. Thank you very much.